Welcome, viewers. In 2016, following the San Bernardino shooting, the FBI ordered Apple to unlock a terrorist iPhone. Apple refused to comply, stating that it had given the FBI data backed up on its iCloud service. Then the FBI requested Apple to create a bypass, the feature that causes the iPhone to erase the phone's data if 10 incorrect passwords are entered. If this was allowed in 2016, it would have set a legal precedent and undermined the iPhone's security feature. Last week, it was revealed the FBI's legal fight with Apple was an attempt to create legal precedent rather than accessing just one device. Government actions appear to be heavily vested in having as much access as possible to private information of citizens, law-abiding or not. Moving forward into the 21st century, privacy rights and the core ideals of Western freedom will be tested. Crucial platforms such as phones, laptops, social media, and emails carry much of our life details. The Apple versus FBI case raises an important privacy issue as to how much are we willing to trust governments by giving them the power to bypass security features and expecting them it will not be used on law-abiding citizens. Benjamin Franklin's assertion comes to mind. Those who would give up essential liberty for temporary safety deserve neither liberty nor safety. If governments were allowed to have access to intimate details of our lives, the ideals of Western society would be desecrated. Western nations would be cast in the same light as Iran, China, and North Korea. These nations not only block websites and social platforms, but monitor the internet access of individuals. From Oliver Cromwell's victories against the English monarch in the 1600s, the quest for civil liberty and individual freedom has been a long battle gained through bloodshed and violence. Now, it is worrying when the government increasingly believes it has the merit to peek behind the curtain into our personal lives. Using security features of our devices and limiting personal details into the World Wide Web can reduce the risk of private information falling into the wrong hands. Trusting governments to safely handle personal details of our lives is a fallacy. Rather, it is the citizen's duty to ensure safety for one and all. President Eisenhower, speaking on national security, said, "If you want total security, go to prison. There, you'll be fed, given shelter, given medical care. But the only thing lacking is freedom." Thank you for viewing in, and I pass control back to our Toastmaster.